In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a client in QuickBooks Accountant. By the end, you'll be able to create a clean, accurate customer record that's ready for invoicing and communication without any confusion. First, sign into your QuickBooks account. Make sure you're in the correct company or firm view where you want this client to live. If you manage multiple books, take a second to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Next, look for the main left-hand navigation. Depending on your version, you'll see either Sales or Get Paid and Pay. Both lead you to the same area where customer records are managed. Click that section to open it. Inside, select Customers. This is your hub for all client profiles, balances, and activity. It's a good idea to glance at the list to ensure this client isn't already there to avoid duplicates. Now, click the New Customer button. This opens a clean customer form where you'll enter the essential details. Start with the name. If you're working with an individual, use their full name as you'd like it to appear on invoices. For a business, enter the legal business name or the name used on their invoices and receipts. Consistency here helps with search and reporting later. Add the email. This is the address QuickBooks will use to send invoices, estimates, and statements, so double-check spelling. If the client prefers a general billing inbox, use that one. Enter the phone number. This makes it easy to reach out for clarifications, and it appears in the customer profile for quick reference. Use a clear, standardized format so your team reads it easily. Fill in the billing address. This is what prints on invoices and can affect sales tax calculations depending on your setup, so include the full address, street, city, state, or region, and postal code. Accuracy here reduces invoice returns or delays. If you have any internal context, add it to notes. This field is optional, but it's handy for details like a preferred contact window, a reference line to include on invoices, or important onboarding reminders. Keep notes professional and helpful for anyone on your team. When everything looks right, click Save. QuickBooks will add the client to your customers list immediately. You can open the profile to review what you entered, and you'll be ready to create invoices, estimates, or statements for that client whenever you need. That's it. You've added a client in QuickBooks Accountant quickly and correctly. Keep your entries consistent, review for typos, and you'll maintain a clean customer list that saves time with every invoice you send.